What is up, everyone? Welcome back. Hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. This is an urgent update. FFAI. We are at a last support, last chance for a squeeze at this very moment kind of situation. So we need to go to the chart and figure out what's going on and see what it's telling us. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. So here we are in the daily chart. Excuse me, guys. FFAI. This white line represents the video I first produced, and you could watch that in the top right of your corner right now if you click the link, and I will have the thumbnail at the end of the video if you guys want to watch it. So what I said for FFAI to reach higher price goals, we must reclaim the daily 50 EMA line, get back in the trend channel, and reclaim this lower price break as well as breaking the Ichimoku cloud. And you could see since my video, this light blue line, the daily 50 EMA has been in control of this stock at the moment. Even with the gap here, we just wicked up to close the gap. And even when we did break it, we had a little candle here and we got rejected by the lower price break and the trend channel, guys. And I didn't get too much detail into it at that video, but I did say we had some support at around 28 cents, and that's where we are now, guys. And you could see the support zone. I refined it for you guys. 2841 to 3080. It is a small support zone, 7%, but this price is very significant. 2841 lower squeeze, less support. You could see the reactions we get out of this, when we touch this. So it is a relatively strong support at the moment. And you could see we have some nice swing potential here. 59%. This one was a little bigger. 126%. These are all great moves, guys. But you could see even a gap up here in the 4-hour chart. This is good swing potential, but you could see this is a very significant decision price at the very moment for FFAI. So that's why this update is crucial. So what can happen from here? And just a quick note, guys, if we would go to Fintel here, since my last update, the float was around 242 million shares, and now it is reported 50 million shares more. It looks like 297 million shares. So the short percentage is still, the short interest is still the same, around 20%. That could be the price sinking, guys, but the volume profile does not look too bad to me. It looks pretty steady. So just keep an eye on those Fintel numbers. But like I said, delusion is never in favor for a squeeze unless the shorts need to cover. It was highly shorted when we had that 10,000% move, and that was the trigger for the squeeze. So keep an eye on the delusion, ongoing delusion, or the short interest, guys. Sorry. So if we lose this support, FFAI would need to recover and regain this support, very quickly. We could see a gap down to trigger stop losses, stuff like that, because the market makers know this is a significant price. And if we don't recover and gain support, if we sink below it, then we will lose the support. And our next prices are the 1272 retracement and the 1618 retracement, guys. This is very possible. Remember when FFAI had that 10,000% squeeze back in the day, a few years ago, it was trading at only 10 cents. So we could see lower prices if we lose this support. Let's go back to the daily chart. If we hold this support, what can happen? Remember, guys, volume is key. We need volume. So if there is no volume, I expect this price to ride down. And you could see what favors FFAI right now is that before, we had no problem breaking this lower price break. See, we had some reaction here. We had a bit of a reaction on the support, but when we came back up, we got rejected by the trend channel. When we came back up from here, we pierced the 50-day. We had the volume. We had that volume 590. That's what we need. 590 million. We pierced the lower breaker. We pierced the EMA line, but we got rejected by the trend channel and the daily cloud as well. So what I like about the setup now, the daily cloud is virtually negligible. Let's call it non-existent right now for resistance. And now if we do break this trend channel support, it is under this lower break price. So then the lower break price will be the only resistance there. So even if this takes time to play out, this could play out until, September, guys, and then there will be another decision. If no decision happens now, then I expect it to play out until we get to around this area in September. Then we'll be trading in the trend channel on top of the lower squeeze. So then we would have to take a look at the daily cloud. But then my point is the resistance from the trend channel will be no longer as well. So that is two less resistance if we do break it. What else do I like about this play is that you could see the price is getting compressed by the EMA line, sinking, but the RSI is remaining strong, guys. The RSI is building nicely. It looks pretty good. We might have to touch it one more time on the daily chart, but even better, in my opinion, would be an oversold one more touch on the weekly chart. You could see, I'll show you a past example, guys. You could see we had this nice initial pump here, came back down, and when we came back down from the top, touched the weekly Ichimoku cloud, the weekly RSI oversold one more time. FFAI reacted with a nice move of 322%, and that could be the case here. One more touch on the weekly, so keep an eye on that as well. But the RSI is looking good. Monitor the delusion and the short interest. That's very important as well. We need the volume for everything, guys. Volume is key. That is the fuel for the engine for most stocks. I like that FFAI is trying to break out. Couple attempts. We are at a good support zone, guys. This could, remember, not financial advice, be a good entry point if you were not entered already, guys. But this is very significant price. The 2841 is the make or break at the moment, guys. So keep an eye on that. If we sink below it, it could sink below as a fake out. Just make sure you have this alerted, and we need to regain that support immediately. And if we do, we could have a good chance now. If not, we'll be potentially waiting another few months for this trend channel break. But we need that volume is always key, guys. Remember, EMA 50 must reclaim the trend channel, must reclaim 4407. Those are the three significant things. Now that the daily cloud is virtually non-existent right now, you can see how thin it is. And if you want to see prices to the upside, guys, watch my video. It's going to be in the top right of your screen at the moment. And I hope you guys have a blessed weekend and a blessed trading week next week.